Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today in this video, we are gonna talk about a shocking news regarding Samsung Galaxy S10, S10E and S10 Plus leaks with stunning screens. Let's have a look. There is still a month left for the official launch of Samsung Galaxy S10 lineup at the Unpacked 2019 on February 20, but the leaks aren't stopping. Each day we are getting new details regarding the S10 lineup. In case you don't know, apart from the normal S10 and S10 Plus, there is also a light model with the name Galaxy S10 E. Today, Ivan Blas shared the case renders of all three phones, and this reconfirmed the design. Starting with the smallest of the three, the Samsung Galaxy S10 E, looking at the case render, the phone has dual cameras on the rear, unlike its big brothers that pack three cameras lenses on the rear. Also, there is no fingerprint scanner on the back, but that doesn't mean that S10E has an in-display fingerprint scanner. If you look closely, you will find that the fingerprint scanner is placed on the right side. Then there is an edge-to-edge display on the front, and it is an Infinity O display since the front camera is placed in a smaller circle cut out in the screen. Finally, we can see that the phone has a 3.5 mm headphone jack on the bottom since the case has a cutout for that. So Samsung is not going to skip that this year as well. Coming to the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus, the only difference between the two apart from the display size is that the S10 Plus has dual cameras on the front, whereas the S10 has only one. Both the S10 and S10 Plus have an in-screen fingerprint scanner, headphone jack, Infinity O display, and triple rear cameras. So now that the design is confirmed, we are waiting to get the full specs sheet of all three phones, along with the pricing details as well. So I believe stay tuned for that news on my Technological World YouTube channel. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the fresh news regarding Samsung Galaxy S10, S10E and S10 Plus leaks with stunning screens. I believe you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe.